Hello. So we have completed the fundamentals of programming, that is Kotlin programming. Now we will be working on object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is known as the base of Android development, as because without object-oriented programming, it is impossible to develop applications. You will understand why I'm telling that object-oriented programming, that is OOPS, so important in Android development, which you will understand in later phase. But now we will take a brief idea about object-oriented programming. Okay, so object-oriented programming is all about classes and objects. Is all about classes and objects. Object-oriented programming is all about classes and objects. So let me just write it. So just by understanding classes and objects, you will get the fundamentals of object-oriented programming. So what are these classes and objects? I will take a very simple example and you will understand what I am talking about. Okay. So consider this is a car. So this is a car. Okay. So this here is a car. Now the car has some properties. Okay. So every car has some properties. Of course, you will agree what I am talking about. Okay. So let me just draw it. So car has some properties like wheels, that is a compulsory property, and a body. Okay, every car has a wheel and a body. Body in the sense the exterior of the car. So car has a wheel and body. Every car has a wheel and a body. So this acts as a blueprint of a car. When we are creating a new car, we will have wheel as well as body. Apart from that, what modification can we do? We can change the color of the car body. We can change the quality of the wheel. Apart from that, we can also improve engine. So we can also write a engine is also an important part. So engine. So you can see that the car should minimum have these things to function. Okay, are the three required things to build a car. So this acts as a blueprint. So let me just write it. Okay, so this acts as a blueprint to develop any cars. Now consider any car of any brand. Okay, for example Hyundai, uh, we have many examples: Hyundai, Ferrari, Lamborghini. You consider any car from sports car to normal small car. Okay, we all have these three things inside that car. Apart from this, they have some extra features, or they may modify some colors and quality of engine, maybe quality of body. Maybe they will build some extra features like engine has V8, V12, so on. Okay, they can just improve these things. But these are the three things which are mandatory. They act as a blueprint. With this, we can construct as many cars as we needed. Okay, so now I will construct a car. Assume I am opening a car company. Now I will make a car. I will take these three features, that is wheels, body, and engine, and I will give a color to body red. Okay, I guess I will use text. Okay, okay, let it be. Huh. Now consider I give the body color as red. I made engine to V8, and then we make wheels of type of high quality. Okay, okay. Now you can see that we have wheels, we have a body that is red color, and we have engine of type V8. What we did was we took this blueprint and made our own objects, that is car. So this can be called as class. This whole thing can be called as class because this act as a blueprint, and this can be called as object because it was made from this blueprint. Okay, why it was made from the blueprint? It has wheel, body, and engine class has wheels, body and engines. Same goes here. Object has body, engine and wheel with some extra properties. Okay, you can see it has high quality wheels. We have described V8. We have described a color. So this is the fundamental of classes and objects. From next video onwards, we will be seeing this code implementation.